he trusted me to take the last shot for this game, and I just believe in that shot. I worked with that. I worked with Coach Rolly, working on my step back after every practice, and just thank God it came out this game.
Nabanggit ni Alec na you've been working on his step back. So, anong masabi mo lang na nakita mo yun sa laro?
Oo, kaya nakakatuwa naman, di ba? Kasi last shot instead of driving towards the traffic, so mas less yung percentage kasi they're in the end. And comeback, yung comeback ang now we all know Alex too aggressive. When he see the lane, he's gonna attack hard. So sarap ng win. So tuwan-tuwa. Sabi ko bukas ko na siya kakausapin. Pahinga sa isang araw na. Pahinga mo na siya, enjoy the win muna.
Pero willing ka na gano'n na gusto mo yung, I mean, okay lang sa'yo makita na step back
siguro,
yung gawin niya or instead of driving? Or
mas less challenge eh. Pero siyempre, if the lane is open, I was telling him, pag open to, atake ka. Pero minsan akala mo open lang eh. Pero yung help nandun eh. So like what happened nung follow-up ni Jalen. So akala niya open, biglang tumalon yung import. So napilitan siya iba to na mataas. So yung ganon, if you're gonna pull up, wala nang tatapal. Ikaw na may kasalanan if you're gonna miss the shot. And he's not missing his shot at practice. So yun yung sinasabi ko.
Anong masabi mo sa kanya? Development niya na, yun, dati
dati role player lang, di ba? So we need that in our team. Kasi sa team namin hanggang ngayon, kulang pa rin yung talagang main man, hindi pa rin siya. Minsan, pag ganun yung performance niya. Sabi ko, hindi, maniwala ka ikaw. Kahit may mag-miss ka. Hindi naman magagalit yung coaches eh. Kasi ikaw na talaga yung kailangan. We all know, pag kulang sila ni Shoni at saka yung gwardiya namin, hirap kami manalo. No? Yeah.
How do you feel na ikaw yung parang
Hindi naman sa akin yun. So hard worker siya. So nag-ano lang ako. Nag-guide lang tayo. So he's practicing his own shot naman eh. So tinuro lang, sinabihan lang na ginaid lang natin. Hindi naman talaga ako, siya yun. Tira niya yun, sa kanya yun.
Parang just like old times mo lang.
Hindi. Buhaya ko eh. Tira niya talaga yun. So nire-remind ko lang na kasi aggressive siya masyado, napapagod siya. Sabi ko, hindi, pull up mo na lang. So taga-remind lang ako. Sabi ko, magagalit ka sa akin, remind kita parati.
Thanks, Coach. Congrats, ha? Nice win.